One of the things I want to highlight is the soft top. It is German canvas. Please excuse a little bit of dust. The fitment on this is extremely good and extremely tight. A lot of time on Pagodas, even brand new tops that have been installed, they lift up here in the corners. They sort of ravel up like ears. This is super tight. I can't even lift it up. You can see how tight it is all the way across. And in this corner as well. Just amazing, extremely tight fitment on the soft top. And then perfect on the windows here too. On the inside, we completely disassemble the soft top frame and then we refinish it. This is all refinished. You can see the hardware, correct German canvas material. Now, if you lift the soft top up here, those pieces in there are new chrome. That is new chrome, new seals. Look at this right here. It's one of the best parts. Perfect fitment with the window, seals perfectly. Now that takes a tremendous amount of hours to do. First we set the glass to the hard top so it fits that, and then we set it to the soft top so it seals. So you don't have to roll the window down to open a door. I know in some Pagodas you have to do that. This one open and closes. Show you the close-up of the construction. Like I said, this is completely disassembled and refinished. And on the early Pagodas, like the 230s, the soft top handles are built in, where the later cars take separate tools. But this one has the correct soft top with the built-in handles. And new chrome all along there. New chrome screws. And this isn't exactly the soft top per se, but something I want to point out is the windshield trim here is new. We do not reuse the old ones. This is brand new chrome trim all the way around.